So, why are we here again? We need more content featuring trains. Hey, fastest thing alive! Get over here!
What, we're not allowed to take our time for once in our lives?
Not on an active train bridge, you aren't!
Train bridge, schmain bridge, there's no trains coming. Hey guys, it's just me, a resident city control, coming up passing through.
You might want to start running.
Yeah? And why is that, Furball?
Train.
Train? What train? Where? Oh. Ah! Start running, Hedgehog Man! I know, I'm not stupid or anything!
By the way, you've been slowed down for plot relevance.
Stupid plot relevance, I need to take a break. Sonic, we can't take a break now, we're being chased down by a frigging steam engine! Oh, no, it's totally fine. I can stop. I'll wait. Just take all the time you need. I'll be here. Wait, you're just gonna stand there like that? Yep, pretty much. Okay then. Alright then, let's go. Wiggity swooty, here I come. The block has to jump down here, Knuckles! We can't jump! Ah! You might want to keep track of your friends in future. I nearly just ran them over.
You two okay?
Yeah, I've been better. Ow. That's it? Why you don't make it so easy play?